Alright guys, we're going to do an unboxing of the new Boring Walking Videos Scum Alice release. So here we go. Here we have the fucking tapes. This is the second tape. We have the tapes for the second one. Most of these still need to be put in cases, but I've assembled these deluxe versions, which come with a hammer and broken glass. So I'm going to show you that real quick here. Get the fucking tapes out. Here we go. Alright, so here is the second tape. This one has our AI reading of Wayne Birch's review and our glass breaking set at State Street that kind of pissed everybody off. And here's the Scum Alice tracks. And this is the first tape, which is three sound collage tracks, including some of my favorite reggae songs turned into bullshit noise, a recording of Sid in the car wash with blast beats, and a mangled version of this "Did You Even Wipe" viral video. I don't know. And here is the Scum Alice tracks. You also get a fucking hammer, and you can get some glass break.